Hey guys, Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters that literally grow your food, in this case kale, for you with no human intervention. You just drop your seeds in and you walk away. And guess what? The kale's growing with the spinach. You see that? They're going together like little brothers and sisters. Oh, and guess what? It's a pea plant in the middle. I couldn't help but throw that pea plant in it. You know me, I love plants. And Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. All you do is drop your seeds in, drop your plants in, and it grows it for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. I never grown this spinach before. It's a bushy type of spinach. It's supposed to be pretty good. I'm gonna give it a try. But man, it looks like the second set of leaves right there. Looks very good. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, and I hate to tell you guys, but look at this. Why do I want to see? This is I think this is I don't know if it's the collard, but it came back from last year, and it's doing great. Growing my spinach and my kale. And that spinach looks great and healthy. Oh, don't you just love that? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. That's Torpedopot. Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. You simply put your plants in or put your seeds in, and it grows them for you. You don't have to do anything. And it does it for all of my kale, my spinach, my cauliflower, or my collard greens. But it does a tremendous job. Look at the consistency, the growth. Look at I want you to see what's going on here. Torpedopot grows your plants and it allows them to come back to life again. Do you see any blemishes in this plant right here? Do you see any plant that you think would not be survivable in this plant? Doesn't matter if it's young, when in this case it's spinach, or if it's kale, or if it's collard greens. No matter what you put in a Torpedopot, it will grow it for you. Torpedopot grows your food when nothing else does, in areas where nothing else can grow it like Torpedopot. All you do is put your plants and your seeds in, and it grows your food for you with no human intervention. We don't have a problem with food. The peas, I didn't put them in. The peas came back from last year. I didn't realize they were still here. That's the testament how good this Torpedopot is. It doesn't matter what plants you have. If you organize your garden correctly, you can grow anything that you want, anytime, anywhere that you want. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com.